Hi guys, welcome to my channel Miss Bird. I'm Sarah. Today I'm going to talk about the SATIN pothos, however you want to say it, Scindapsus Pictus. Easy for you to say. I had a bit of trouble with this guy at first. Get it out. There's a fly. Big fly. Get the fly, Pickles. Get it. Lola likes to get flies. Right, so if you can hear that in the background, Lola is trying to get the fly. So, I had some trouble with my SATIN pothos. It seemed to do okay for a while when I got it home, and then it just started to decline, and I was giving it enough water, but the leaves were curling, and that means that it needs more water. I've moved it around to see if that helped, more sun, less sun, all of that sort of stuff. And so finally I thought I'm going to repot it and see what's going on with the roots. And once I did that, I found out that it was mostly unrooted cuttings and they weren't growing in the dirt. Only one was, and that's probably this guy here, I imagine now. I decided to put the cuttings in water because I have a lot more success with water propagation than I do with dirt soil propagation. Sphagnum moss as well, that does alright for me. But I like to see the roots, so I like to go with water for the most part. If something's struggling, then I will try it in sphagnum moss. So if yours is struggling and the leaves are curling and you think that you've sort of tried everything, then maybe, you know, repot it and just see how the roots are looking, because that was the problem with this one. And it was looking really sad, obviously, because I think I only had like sort of about this much left, like 2 leaves or 3 maybe, because obviously the rest were propagating in water, and it's doing really well now. Got another leaf coming in, and got this vine as well. Another leaf coming in there, 2, 3, 4. I've got five new leaves on the way, so it's doing really well. But I'd like to show you how to propagate this bit, because I'd like to fill the plant out a bit more, even though I do like training plants. But if you want to see a really awesome SATIN pothos, then head over to Daya's channel and she will show you one, because hers is amazing. It's huge. So I'd like it to look a bit more like hers, and it's going to take some time. It won't be until next year now probably. But yeah, so I'm going to propagate these, show you how to do it. It's so easy with pothos. Yeah, so I'll show you how I'm about to do that. So obviously I have my plant, some sharp clean scissors, and I've just got some water here to put the cuttings into. So on this vining section I'm going to make 2 cuttings out of this, and so I'm going to cut just here and use this node. You can see that. See if it'll focus. I'm going to use this node right here. So this is a node right here. I'm going to make another cut. So leave me with, no, I'll make it there. So that node just there, just got a little stem with 2 leaves there. So you want the node to be in the water. So hopefully that guy will just sit there like that. So I've left some stem, and that will help me plant it, and then hopefully we will have some roots just from here. That's going in the water as well. I might just take off this leaf actually, just to give me a bit more stem. It's a little sacrificial leaf. So the greater good plant has had a little haircut, and then these propagating to make a fuller plant. and hopefully this guy will still keep growing because it's been doing really well. It's in my bathroom window, which is filtered sunlight, and it is a southwest window, so it gets some really good light in there and some humidity, so it's loving life in there. If you've got any more tips on the Scindapsus Pictus, the SATIN pothos, then please leave them in a comment down below because I can always do with the tips. I want to say thanks to all my new subscribers and hello, and thank you to all my existing subscribers. I'm nearly there at 1,000. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this, then please hit the subscribe button. I do have a giveaway happening at the moment, so I will link that video just here or wherever. It's an international giveaway, so I'm doing it for the UK, Europe. We're still in Europe, I know that we are still in Europe. I just wanted to let the rest of Europe know that it's available to them as well, and also the US. So there's a few goodies that you can win if you feel like it. And all you have to do is subscribe and comment, so head over to that video to check it out if you feel like winning a plant or trying to win a plant. I'm going to do another plant tour video soon to show you what's grown well for me this summer. So we'll do an autumn plant tour, fall if you're American. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm at SarahBirdMusic. And thank you so much for watching.